Hello everybody. I don't know if I've actually started the vlog officially for today. So it is Sunday, November 8th. Let me confirm just 1 second. Yes, it is November 8th. And sorry, there was a person walking by the store and I was trying to determine if they're coming in. I think these people might be coming in though. Maybe? No. Okay. Cool. We can keep chatting. Which is the peril of vlogging in the store while I'm working, is it's weird to vlog when there's people in here because it's a small store. So it's Sunday. This is my normal day in the store. It's been quite quiet in here. Like, it was quite busy as well, like large groups. It comes in waves on Sundays where it's like big groups or like big waves of people and then quiet for a bit and then big waves of people. So this is a little break. What I've been doing is setting up my January content in my this productivity planner or productivity journal. So I'm trying to get very well organized because between Christmas and New Year's, we close the store here, and so I have like a week and a half, or about a week, I guess, yeah, to pre-film a bunch of stuff. And so I want to be as prepared as possible to do that. And because I'm also starting a second channel for the ASMR channel, that I want to pre-film all of that so I can put out 1 video a week for January. Don't think I'll put out any more than 1 video a week ever, just because I know ASMR videos are very long. I would like to know from you guys what you think the ideal time length is, because I really only get about 15 minutes into an ASMR video and I'm out, like I'm fast asleep. So I never get to watch the last 45 minutes. Sometimes I'll start it in the middle so that I can get to see the rest. But yeah, I would like to know the ideal time length. And because I'm also turning these into a podcast that you'll be able to download and listen to on your phone, I'm thinking that it still should be like at least 30 minutes, maybe 40 minutes. I don't know if a full hour is necessary. So I'd love to hear your opinions on the length of video, because I don't know. So anyway, what I'm doing is I'm going through, I've made my, this book is just for YouTube, or like, I don't know, I've got a blog section in here too, I guess, but like, it's mostly just like YouTube, or content, let's say content, versus business things. So because I also have Rebellious Clove, the recycled leather goods side of things, and I also have the casual planner, which is the planner stickers. I know I'm nuts, like I need to get the casual planner going again, like with things happening, but I want to focus more on this specific type of stickers. Before I was just sort of like making whatever, but I think I want to focus more on making bullet journal stickers to help like decorate or build out your bullet journal. So I think that's what I'm gonna do. That's the focus I think I want to have. So what I've been doing is I've been going through, I've got my calendar, so I've written out my calendar and I've color coded it, which I don't do often, and then I've written out a box for each major content piece, so I can do some planning, like write notes and stuff in the boxes, and I'm just going around and color coding those now. So I'm on the last week of January, so I've got my I guess these are called mild liners, and these are the brush tips by Zebra. So I'm just gonna tip you a bit and we'll do that. Alright, that is everything color coded. So I'll show you how it sort of looks. This first one is not color coded because I needed a lot of room for my 2020 goals, which is the first video of the new year. But then beyond that, we have the first ASMR video, and just go through. I did have to leave like a blank page in here so that I could actually fit a whole week in like that. Just I didn't like how it was spacing out. Yeah, so that's that. I think I may go through, I need to come up with some blog post ideas to assign in. I've got videos. I need some blog posts over here, so I think I've got some ideas going. Obviously this is like a running list for video ideas. I'd love some video and blog post ideas from you guys of like plus size fashion stuff you want to talk about, or maybe topics that center around being plus size and discussions like that that you want to have, because I'm happy to say the hard things and say the things that we're all thinking out loud but just maybe aren't able to, and if I can start a conversation and get people talking, I'm happy to do that. I don't mind if I anger the internet. Don't mind if I anger people who are thin and think thin privilege doesn't exist. It does. You know, I'm happy to start those discussions. Moving on, I've got all of my videos planned for January. I could probably go into January, into February, but I'm not going to get that far ahead of myself. I don't like to get that far ahead of myself because there are often topics, like hot topics that come up through discussion, hanging out on Twitter, things like that, and I want to leave space for that in my calendar. Once Vlogmas is wrapped up, there will be one more video before the end of the year, and that's going to be a year-end wrap-up of just sort of my highlights from the year, and yeah, and maybe just some like favorites and just a general wrap-up of 2019. Whoops. Hi, buddy. Eat your dinner. Good girl. What's this? What's this? Ew. Ew, this one smells so bad. Okay, what's this? What's this? What's this? Hey, we don't jump up, but we sit, right? We sit? Are you sitting? You're sitting. Good morning, everybody. It is the next day. I did not end my vlog, as far as I know. Haven't edited it yet, so I don't know. But I did not end my vlog, and I thought I would come on, end it. That's what you do. Because I need to start the next one, and I have an hour before I need to be in the store, so I just thought I'd do that. Alright, this makes no sense. This vlog probably sucks a lot, and it's probably very short and very boring, but yesterday was a work day for me. A work day in the sense that I was working in the store, and it's hard to vlog in there. And when I got home, I pretty much crawled into bed and went to sleep. I'm going on to day 4 of working in the store in a row, and that's not my normal routine. My normal routine is Saturday and Sunday, but I worked Friday, Saturday, Sunday, and now Monday, and so it's a lot, especially because I'm still having to do my normal work plus Vlogmas on top of it. So it all has to fit in there somewhere. And I did pick up some like extra client work just for people I did a website for a couple of months ago. Sometimes they ask me to do things to go on to their website that they don't have time to update, and things like that. I emailed them actually just out of the blue because I saw on their Instagram that they had added a bunch of stores that carry their products, which is amazing. And they make these beautiful signs that are like they're not my decor style, but I still love them. I love them so much. And so I emailed them and was like, hey, you know, you guys should add a stockist page to your website, because that will allow people to come to your website and see where they can shop in person if maybe they're close and they can support a small business. And they're like, yeah, that sounds awesome. And I was like, here's how you do it. And I told them exactly how to do it. And they're like, hey, actually, can you do it for us? And then all these other things. And so I basically set up a retainer fee for past clients where they can pay my fee, which actually isn't a whole lot, and they get a certain amount of time from me to do some quick things on their website, which because I make them all provide the words, I don't write for them. I just do the thing and I put it up because I want it to be in their voice. I say like, oh, you want an about me page, you want a blog, you want this, you want these things. You write it up and you provide the information, and I'll go in and like put it in where it's supposed to be and make sure your SEO for each page is good. So that's what I'm gonna do. They'll be sending me the stuff in a couple days, so that will be a fun thing to do. They're just small little things that don't take that long, but they do add up after a while. So yeah, I just realized that I still have a line right here from where I was sleeping on my pillow. And my tongue is still blue, even though I've brushed my teeth. But I was eating Warheads last night before bed, which was probably not the best idea, but I still did it, and it was delicious. So now my tongue is blue. I did the same thing the night before and I woke up and my tongue was bright blue. But I've been drinking Starbucks, so it's toned down a bit. Anyway, thanks for watching. This is the end of the vlog, I guess. And if you like this video, like it, if you want to see more, subscribe. I've already planned out my January content and what videos I'm going to be making, and based on how much you guys like the vlogs, I'm going to try and do a weekly vlog and then a regular video. So we'll see how that goes. Leave me a nice comment if you want, and I will see you guys tomorrow. Bye.